Okay, mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. So what are mutually exclusive events? Mutually exclusive events are two events that cannot happen at the same time. So they cannot happen at the same time. Okay, so for example, you cannot be in Zimbabwe and be in China at the same time. That's impossible. You are either in Zimbabwe or you are in China. Okay, those are mutually exclusive events. Another thing is you can't be a boy or girl at the same time. Either you're a boy or you're a girl, right? So those are mutually exclusive events. And again, we're just looking at general cases here, right? Those are mutually exclusive events. So the key word is the word or, right? So if you're gonna look at some things or some situations where you have to find probability of A or B, where A and B are two events. So what's the probability of A or B? Whenever you have this situation here, you simply add the individual probabilities. So whenever you have that magic word or, A or B, it means what's the probability of A plus probability of B. You simply add the individual probabilities. Now let's have an example and let's try. So again, we're going to have a box full of pens. So you've got, that's a pen, an orange pen, another orange pen, not the best looking pens. You've got a blue pen, another blue pen there, another blue pen here, possibly another blue pen there, and then you've got green. You've got a green pen, a green pen in the box, and a green pen in the box. So what do we know? These are pens. And then of the pens, the number of green pens is equal to 3. The number of orange pens is equal to 2. And the number of blue pens is equal to 4. Okay? So let's say Tyler picks a pen there. Okay? What's the probability that the pen is green or orange, right? The probability of Tyler picking a green or an orange pen is equal to the probability of picking a green pen plus the probability of picking an orange pen. Okay, the probability of picking a green pen will be number of green over the total. The probability of picking orange will be number of orange over the total. How many greens are there? There's 3 greens out of a total of 9 pens. How many are orange? There's 2 orange out of a total of 9. Now if you add this up, you get what? 5 over 9. So that is your answer there. What's the probability of Tyler picking in blue or green pen? This will be equal to probability of picking a blue plus probability of picking a green, which will translate to number of blue over the total plus number of green over the total. So how many blues are there? There's 4 blues out of 9, and there's 3 greens out of 9. So 4 over 9 plus 3 over 9, this gives you 7 over 9. So that's the simplicity of mutually exclusive events.